unboxing, and I've got Boxycharm. So were you guys excited about this month's box? Tell me, be honest, just tell me. Were you excited about the choices? I'll throw mine up for you on the screen so you can see what mine were, and you can tell me what you think. Okay, let's go ahead and get into this. You guys know that it's 5 full-size products. It's $30 a month, and you have your taxes. They are getting better with shipping. I will say that for sure. Usually I used to get my boxes at the end of the month, but they've been coming. I've actually had them for a few days, so they've been coming on time. It's kind of exciting. I will put the prices on the screen for you. The Ole Henriksen Truth Juice Daily Cleanser. That actually sounds really good. Like a nice fresh burst of something. I don't know, orange juice in the morning. That sounds like it would be pretty good. Can't smell it through here, but that's a really good size. So I'm excited about that. I love getting cleansers, then I don't have to buy them. Moving on, we have by Tease. Who is she? And how come I have never heard of her? Is she new? Yeah. This here says Battle Prep Face Primer. Is this kind of like the Bobbi Brown face base? It almost looks like that consistency, but I have no idea. All right, I am a pore filling primer kind of girl, and this here is reminding me of just a cream that kind of glows a little bit. Yeah, that's it. Okay, moving on. We have by Biro. Is it Biro? All right. Celery AHA plus LHA resurfacing serum. All right, I remember seeing this in the spoilers. It's like that green bottle, I think. Yep, here it is here. Oh, she needs to be shaken. Let's see. She seems very watery. She's green. She smells, yeah, could be better. Yeah, okay, so that's that. Don't know if she does anything or not. Then we have by TYS. Who are you? Cheek Treat Drip. That's a very interesting name. Ooh, but this color. Oh, wait a minute. Let's just see. So this is a cheek thingy, right? That's what it says. I didn't read that wrong, right? Liquid blush. Oh, boy. Look at that wand. Let's put her. Woohoo! Okay. We need a brush. Hang on a minute here. This reminds me of what you would put on for a clown at Halloween, but I definitely use too much, and I don't know, she might blend out, but wow, the pigment. I don't think I'll use her. I'm just gonna be honest. And the last item is another Huda Beauty lip contour. I got this in my other box, but I think this one is, ooh, it is a different color, honey beige. Ooh, I'm excited. This is probably my favorite product. This and the cleanser. Oh man, I can never get the dang things out of these boxes. I'm always ripping them because they just don't come out easily. Come on, we want to see the color. Aha, and I still have the swatch from my other one here, so let's put it next to it. Oh yeah, she is right there. They are similar. That one's got a little pinky to it, and here's this one here. Ooh, okay, so I'm excited about that. All right, let's recap, and then you guys can tell me what you think of my box. So we have the lip liner, we have the liquid blush that I'll probably never use, we have the Biro Celery serum, we have the Tease Battle Prep Face Primer, and then we've got Ole Henriksen, the Truth Juice Daily Cleanser. That's everything. I'll put the total value of this box on the screen. That's all I have for unboxings, I think, for the rest of this month, except for Heaven Panty. I did just get that in, so that'll be coming up soon. Tell me what you guys think of this box. Tell me what you thought of my choices. Just tell me everything. Did you get Ipsy? Have you stopped getting Ipsy? Because I know a lot of you said in the last couple of videos I posted that you have stopped getting it. Some said you miss it, and some were like, you know, there's nothing wowing me, which is kind of where I'm at this point. But anyhow, let me know down in the comments. I can't wait to talk to you there, and I'll see you guys real soon in another video. Mwah. Bye!